Kemcho Gujarat. My name is Praveen. I'm a sales manager in WFL Millturn Technologies. WFL is an Austrian company manufacturing horizontal Millturn machine. Our machines are basically a combination of a 4-axis turning center, 5-axis machining center, deep hole drilling machine. We can do gear cutting to an extent, and we can also do grinding. And a part of CMM job can be performed in the machine. And you can see in our booth a lot of varieties, couple of videos, and a lot of sample components. You can show this to the customer and for different industries. And we are here to experiment how the exhibition would be beneficial for our customers and for us.